homestead of the Golden Eagle. It belongs to that Navy veteran I was talking about. Look at that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm after that. Oh my goodness. I'm after this. Look at that. See, this is how the eagle does his thing. This is how the eagle got that one property back there from the tax sale. Now this property is up over there for sale. Isn't that amazing? I like it because the trees ain't too heavy. Yeah. And you got a road right here. Oh yeah. You got an easement. Let's go back here. If you all remember, oh, easy girl. If you all remember this here. I'm not going to record these gentlemen until I get going. All right, let me go talk.